Unraveling the Web of Lies, an easy guide. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, web of lies. This phrase is not just about telling lies, but it paints a picture of a complex situation. Stay with us to learn all about it, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. The phrase, web of lies, refers to a complex, intricate network of deception. Imagine a spider's web. It's detailed, expansive, and difficult to escape once you're caught in it. Similarly, a web of lies is a situation where numerous lies are told, often interconnected, making it challenging for the liar to maintain them or for others to uncover the truth. Understanding the origin of this phrase can help us appreciate its usage. The term web, in this context, is metaphorical, drawing on the imagery of a spider's web. Spiders weave webs to catch their prey, just as lies can trap someone in deceit. This metaphor has been used in literature and speech for centuries to describe complicated situations of dishonesty and trickery. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase. 1. In a story, the detective realized that the suspect had created a web of lies to cover up the crime. 2. In everyday conversation, I can't trust him anymore. He's woven such a web of lies that I don't know what's true or false. 3. In professional contexts, the scandal revealed a web of lies at the heart of the organization. Recognizing a web of lies is crucial because it helps us identify deceit and protect ourselves from being misled. It's a powerful phrase that alerts us to the complexity and potential danger of a situation filled with falsehoods. And that's a wrap on web of lies. Remember, this phrase is a vivid metaphor for a complex and often harmful situation of deceit. We hope this video helps you understand and use web of lies confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro at English idioms and phrases in no time. See you in our next video.